Huawei Watch GT6 that so many people have been waiting for has finally arrived. Today, let's dive in and check out Huawei's latest smartwatch that's all about long-lasting performance. So what makes it stand out this year? A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Well, for starters, it comes in two main color styles, classic black and white, and two different sizes designed for different users. Let's begin by unboxing the 46mm version, which is usually the go-to size for guys. Inside the box, you'll notice the familiar paper charger along with Huawei's signature contactless wireless charger. This feature has actually been around for years, yet surprisingly, no other brand has adopted it. The beauty here is convenience. You don't always have to carry the charger with you. If your phone supports wireless reverse charging, just place the watch on the back and you're good to go. Definitely a big plus. Now let's peel off the protective film and take a closer look at the watch itself. This one comes in a field green finish, giving it a sporty yet casual vibe. The case design is pretty unique, octagonal with a tough-looking profile when viewed from the side. The strap combines silicone with woven material, so it feels natural on the outside, soft and skin-friendly on the inside, and resistant to dirt. On the back, you'll find Huawei's upgraded sensing system. From the side, the watch looks quite standard, not too thick, not too slim either. The crown has a satisfying amount of resistance when rotated, and there's an extra button right below it. For reference, the 46mm version weighs 68 grams, which feels just right on the wrist. Booting it up, we're greeted with HarmonyOS and quick settings. With the light-colored watch face, you can easily see how much of the screen is dedicated to display compared to the bezel. Later, we'll compare it with other smartwatches to give you a better idea. Since the design leans sporty, it really pairs well with vibrant watch faces. On wrist, it looks stylish and versatile, which is why the GT series has always been easy to match with different outfits. Of course, animated or dynamic watch faces consume more battery, while simpler static ones last much longer. Personally, when I first get a smartwatch, I love testing out the flashier faces, but over time, I usually settle for cleaner, battery-friendly ones. Next up, let's check out the smaller 41mm version, clearly designed with women in mind. Right away, it feels lighter, slimmer, and more refined. The borders are smoother and the details stand out more once we remove the film. The crown and lugs are noticeably different here. The crown is rounder, more elegant, and the lugs are separated, giving it that refined ladies' watch look. From the side, it's a little thinner than the 46mm. Swapping straps is simple. Just click, buckle, and it's done. This unit is in streamer purple, which gives off a youthful, stylish feel. It's worth mentioning that both the 41mm and 46mm models use the exact same charger. And if you own a Huawei phone, you won't really need the charger much anyway, thanks to reverse charging. As for the display, it's smooth and vibrant. Pairing works best with a Huawei phone, unlocking the full experience. Comparing both sizes side by side, you can clearly see the difference. The GT series caters to both men and women by offering these two distinct options. Another highlight is the always-on display. With this mode, the time is always visible, even in dim light, so you don't have to keep raising your wrist to wake the screen. Of course, this does use a bit more power. This year, Huawei also upgraded the positioning system. Now, whether you're running, hiking, or cycling, the watch offers much more precise tracking. Speaking of cycling, Huawei introduced a new cycling power simulator, which means you can track your performance without needing an external power meter. After each ride, you can check your stats, review your performance, and even get reminders for heart rate recovery. Now, some of you might be wondering how the GT series compares to Huawei's standard watch series. Simply put, the regular watch models are more powerful. They support eSIM, let you make calls directly, and even run apps like WeChat. But the trade-off is shorter battery life. The GT line, on the other hand, focuses on longer battery life and health tracking. While you can install apps, the options are limited and much lighter, mostly informational or simple utilities. So if you want a watch that can replace your phone in some cases, the regular Huawei watch is the way to go. But if you prefer long-lasting performance and don't mind carrying your phone with you, the GT series is definitely more practical. When it comes to design, the GT series has a flat dial, while higher-end Huawei watches use a spherical dial. Different aesthetics for different tastes. And of course, we have to compare it with other big names. First up, the Apple Watch, which comes in its signature square design. Some prefer Huawei's round sporty style, others like Apple's square look. Then we have Xiaomi's sportier racing style watches, and Oppo's lineup, which mixes both round and square options. Each brand has its own unique identity. So that's the Huawei Watch GT6 in a nutshell. Its biggest upgrade this year is in cycling and sports tracking, paired with that trademark long-lasting battery. I'll be sharing a full detailed review of the Watch GT6 soon, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to the channel.